Hello everyone and welcome to today's note. Today we're going to be talking about volumes of prisms. You already have various formulas for volumes of prisms on your formula sheet. Please take a moment to get out your formula sheet now. We are going to first start by talking about what is a prism. A prism is an object that has two sides that are the same. For example, I am drawing a rectangular prism here. It has two rectangles that are the same, and each of these rectangles is connected by other rectangles. This box here is a rectangular prism. As you can see, opposite sides are rectangles, and there are rectangles that connect either end. A triangular prism exists when you have two triangles, and these triangles are connected by rectangles. You can have a prism with any polygon as the base. Note that the base is not the bottom. In the picture that I just drew, we have our triangles, but they are on the sides. The base instead refers to the non-rectangular polygon that is parallel to itself in your 3D figure. Consider this 2D figure. It's a triangle. It's a 3, 4, 5 triangle. As you can see from this triangle, it's a 2D figure. But when I stack multiple triangles on top of it, and I keep stacking, and I keep stacking, and I keep stacking, I end up with a triangular prism. So you can see here that I have turned my simple triangle into a triangular prism. As it is right now, the base is on the bottom, and I can use my ruler to go ahead and measure the height. So the height of this is about 2.5 centimeters. I know it's hard to tell. But remember, the base is not necessarily the bottom, because if I rotate this, the base is on the side now. From our triangular prism, we can take the information that was given and calculate the volume. Remember that as I built that prism, I just stacked and stacked and stacked one piece of foam over top of another. So the area of the base is common in every piece of that foam, and the height changed as I stacked more on it. The area of the base was 6 centimeters squared, and the height was 2.5 centimeters. So if I took the area of the base and I multiplied it by the height, I can figure out how much volume my shape takes up. 6 times 2.5 is 15, and don't forget the units. I have done a similar thing here with another polygon. So here I have taken a right trapezoid, a 2D figure with almost no thickness cut out of foam. And I have taken this and I have stacked piece upon piece upon piece all together, and I have managed to form a 3D shape, which is a right prism. Now again, the base is not necessarily the bottom, because you can take any shape and rotate it. To find the volume of this shape, I need to take the area of the base, which at the moment is at the bottom, and multiply it by the height. Now it's very hard to see in this case, but the height here is 6 centimeters. This trapezoidal base prism, which again, the base doesn't mean the bottom, the area of the base was calculated to be 71.75 centimeters square, and the height we measured to be 6 centimeters. To find the overall volume, you take the area of the base, multiply it by the height, and then you get your area and volume calculated very easily. Don't forget units, centimeters cubed. Thank you.